Are you tired of seeing a big chunk of your hard-earned money disappear into taxes every year? Imagine saving thousands legally in 2025 money you can invest, spend, or save for your family's future. This video is your ultimate guide to tax savings. Stay tuned because the strategies we're about to share can change your financial life. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel where we talk about smart money management, wealth building strategies, and tax tips to help you keep more of what you earn. Today, we're diving into practical, legal, and effective ways to save thousands on your taxes in 2025. Get ready to take notes because every tip in this video can make a big difference. Let's start by understanding why tax planning is essential. Taxes are one of the largest expenses most people face, but with the right strategies, you can minimize your liability legally. Remember, the government rewards specific behaviors, like saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business. A pie chart showing an average person's expenses, highlighting taxes as a significant portion. Before we dive into the strategies, here are the key tax changes in 2025 you need to know about. Updates to tax brackets and standard deductions. New deductions for sustainable energy investments. Adjustments in retirement contribution limits. A table comparing 2024 vs 2025 tax brackets and deductions. 1. Maximize retirement contributions. Contribute to your 401k, IRA, or other retirement accounts. In 2025, the contribution limits have increased, meaning you can shelter more income from taxes. Someone transferring money to a retirement account. 2. Leverage health savings accounts SHAs. If you have a high deductible health plan, and SHA is a triple tax advantaged way to save. Contributions, growth, and withdrawals for medical expenses are all tax-free. And SHA account dashboard showing tax savings. 3. Claim energy efficiency credits. The government is offering generous credits for installing solar panels, upgrading to energy-efficient appliances, or purchasing an electric vehicle. A family installing solar panels. 4. Start or optimize a small business. Starting a side hustle or optimizing your existing business can open up numerous tax deductions, including home office expenses, internet, and travel. A small business owner at work, with deduction highlights popping up on the screen. 5. Use tax loss harvesting. If you've invested in stocks, tax loss harvesting lets you offset capital gains with losses, reducing your overall tax liability. A simple animation of gains and losses balancing out. Now that you know the strategies, here are some pitfalls to avoid. Not keeping proper records, missing out on deductions due to lack of awareness, waiting until the last minute to plan your taxes, a checklist of common mistakes. Let me share a couple of examples to show how these strategies work in real life. Example 1. John maximized his 401k and SHA contributions and saved $5,000 in taxes. Example 2. Sarah started a small business and leveraged home office deductions, reducing her tax bill by $3,500. Here's how to get started today. Review your financial situation. Meet with a tax advisor. Implement the strategies that fit your needs. Regularly review and adjust your plan. A timeline with these steps highlighted. Thanks for watching. I hope you're feeling empowered to take control of your taxes in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to save on taxes. And don't forget to comment below with your questions or success stories. Let's keep the conversation going.